Welcome to Gastac, your trusted manufacturer of bed lift mechanisms. We produce bed lift mechanisms in various specifications for you to choose from. This is our bed lift mechanism workshop with stamping, coating, assembly, and packaging all completed in-house. This is our gas strut workshop. Steel tube cutting, tube hole expanding, tube welding, piston rong and seal assembly, gas strut service painting. The final step, gas strut marking. With a monthly output of over 30 containers, we guarantee quality products and quick delivery. Get in touch with us, your ideal partner for success.